So this is our current family flips shirt. And it's got this sweet, cute little logo. My favorite part about this is that it's got the regular letters and then it's kind of got that juxtaposed swirly letters in it, and I love that. I'm an avid bullet journal, and that's a huge style these days to have something that's very like straightforward and then something really curvy, and I just really love that. So I had these shirts made, and at the time I made a logo similar to this. And the purpose behind this was that it didn't matter where you were or in what kind of housing you lived in, that you could resell. Unfortunately, didn't go as planned because now it looks like we flip houses. Okay. And then after we decided that it looks like we flip houses, we need a different logo, we decided, and I'm gonna show you exactly what I'm talking about, but we decided to go ahead and outsource our logo. And that looked like this. For the most part, it was really great. There's certain parts that I really couldn't communicate how I wanted it, but Joe really loved it, and so we decided to go with it, and it's great. There's a part of it I think that I struggle with, and this honestly seemed very, very industrial, very focused on the recycling, which in this case, yes, we do a lot of reselling, we do a lot of recycling, but it's missing, in my opinion, the other half of who we are.
So our sink got clogged. I'm like, all right, well, I'll just plunge it, see if I can get it undone. And in doing so, it's all cleaned up now, so you don't have to worry about it seeing that nasty. But in doing so, as you can see, it all flowed out of here, and it was everywhere. Talking about all over the floor. I don't know, it's crazy. It's like underneath the slab, and but it smells like straight. It's nasty, and it's like flowing out of here. Like, it's crazy. I don't even know how. I don't even know how it got there, and but needless to say, it did. And it's nasty, but it is like spring side outside, which is good. We got FedEx coming, fixing to deliver some goods we ordered, and I guess wait for the landlord to come and see about getting this drain unclogged, because it's be nasty.
Come on, let's get in the back seat.
Oh no.
It's one of those days where I wish something would go as planned. Yes. Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. I really love Chick-fil-A because of how fast they are, but then also how not stingy they are when they're condiments. The key phrase when asking for enough ketchup, because you know how like sometimes you ask for ketchup and they give you like 2 packets? The key phrase Joe and I have discovered is that we want enough of said condiment to drown a small animal. Whatever animal you want. It could be a turtle, it could be a cat. Not that you would actually do it. Please don't actually do it. But it gets you some pretty amazing results when it comes to how many condiments you get.
I'm the only one that never uses ketchup. I like to slather each fry in ketchup.
He likes fries with his ketchup.
Yeah.
Entire debacle at home means that I've got to try and figure out how to do this here at this wonderful establishment. So I found a quiet corner. It's quiet for just a second. I can't guarantee if kids are gonna come in here or not, but I gotta try and figure out how to do this logo. So, Joe sent me some ideas, and I don't know how to make it work. I don't want it to be something that, I like and he doesn't like, and he doesn't like that I don't like, because we're the brand together, And I think that's the hardest part about collaborating with somebody, is that you really have to pull from each other's strengths, and sometimes that is really, really hard to put into one overall image that represents both of us. So he likes this idea, it looks like, of maybe some like outlines of us, of our specific family. And then I was looking at this, and he actually kind of still likes that recycle sign. A big part of why we resell is so that we can reintroduce things back in the market that would normally end up in landfills. It's a big reason why we feel like reselling is so important, and there are more millennials and centennials in this world that are buying used with an attempt to try and save the environment. We've got a lot more environmentally conscious people now. Okay, so I was looking at all of the suggestions that you had, and I know that you still like the triangle recycle part of the logo. I do like the idea of the silhouettes. Mm-hmm. And I think we just got the pictures that we got made in the fall. Mm-hmm. I actually think we could probably make that work. But if I can't, how do you feel about maybe outsourcing the project?
Yeah, I mean, I think we should look at that as a whole to begin with.
You think that just going ahead and outsourcing it right away?
Yeah, I mean, the one person that we used from Fiverr the last time, even though the idea wasn't exactly what we wanted or what we liked, he did exactly what we said, and the quality of work was good. It was great quality. It was high quality images. He did a lot because it was only $25. So I mean, for like an hourly wage, I mean, if you're going to spend more than an hour doing it, then it just makes sense.
Yeah, I mean, the truth is,
outsource it.
Yeah, I mean, I'm really, in all honesty, not that great. I'm really good at researching.
Yeah. To
find out what I need to do to make something happen. But I guess if somebody already has the skill, can get it done quicker, and I'm not wasting time that I could be doing something else.
I mean, I think, when we had the last logo done, we had it envisioned, we had an idea. It wasn't as personal as we wanted. I like the triangle because it's something with the way that those, it didn't have to be a triangle. I just chose a triangle because of the silhouette image that I found that could fit into a triangle. Like, it doesn't have to fit perfectly in it, but it could overflow a little bit. But I think a graphic artist could really combine it and match it together and make a good quality image with what we want. I don't even know if we have to necessarily use, it would be cool if they could use our family image to do a silhouette of that. That would be super cool. But it wouldn't necessarily have to be us if they can't do that.
What do you guys think? what's your opinion on what we should do? I don't know. I think for me, I'd have to see it. You know, I have to be able to envision that. But I think that the direction is really good.
Yeah. Yeah. The story continues.